Hello guys, study with flow back again with another video, and in this video we will see how the user can give input in Python. As you can see in our Python ID, we have taken a variable name and to the input function, and in the input function we can write anything what we have to print on our output screen. As you can see, name equal to input, then in the bracket we have written enter your name, and in the next line we are taking age as our input, then age equals to input bracket enter the age. Then we have run our code and you can see the output on our screen. On our output you can see enter your name. We have entered Ramesh. To enter the age of Ramesh is 20. Then press the enter button, and here you can see, as previously we have taken the input in 2 lines, now we are taking 2 or more inputs in 1 line only. As now you will see, we have taken the name and age as input in single line. Name age, which is equals to our input function, then we have written enter your name and age. Dot split function. The split function basically splits the input into name and age, and further you can see in our output screen. As you can see on our output screen, there is enter your name and age. We have entered Ramesh space and the age 20, and then enter. Thank you.